Introducing Doelin single-phase and three-phase pump starters, which are produced by Sydler Electronics and are completely made in India products. Doelin starters are available for submersible pumps, monoblock pumps and open well pumps. Now your pump will be free from the danger of burning out. These starters provide your pump with dry run protection, overload protection, phase reversal protection and voltage fluctuation protection. You will not find these features in other starters of old design. These starters automatically shut off the pump when the well or tank runs out of water, and will automatically restart the pump when water becomes available. Your pump will never run dry, and will not burn out. Similarly, if the power supply suddenly increases, these starters will shut off your pump, and prevent it from getting damaged. Sometimes phase reversal causes the pump to rotate in reverse, and malfunction. Doelin starters turn off the pump as soon as the phase reversal happens. Pumps also burn out due to frequent voltage fluctuations. In such an event, Doelin starters save the pump. Thus, Doelin starters are designed for complete protection of the pump. These starters have inbuilt RTC timer, cyclic timer and dry run auto start timer. The pump turns on and off automatically at preset time. Now you don't have to manually operate the starter every time. It also features a water level controller, which turns the pump on and off at preset water levels. Doelin starters are based on modular design. If any part gets damaged, it can be easily replaced. All our starters are based on the latest microcontroller technology. These starters extend the life of the pump, and the pump lasts for years. Different models of pump starters are available for industry, agriculture and domestic use. Sydler Electronics provides you 24/7 customer service. For any kind of help, you can call our customer care and get your problems solved. Sydler has dealership and service network available in every village and city in Maharashtra. New dealership inquiries are also welcome. Sydler is committed to providing you with the best products and services. Let's use modern technology and ensure the safety of our pump and ourselves.